1.90 meters. 10 in the morning. That's it, around 9. We're arriving to look at a Ferrari. People are just waking up, taking their dogs out, and we need to go evaluate the car, and that's about it. Check the documents, nuances, details. Those are the plans for today. We're stopping by now to pick up the paint thickness gauge, and we are finally off to go and beat the drums for the big show tonight. What are the plans? We're arriving, checking the car's documents, and taking another look at the vehicle in question. The next step is to walk around it, just record a video for the client, film it, inspect it ourselves for any body damage, and then go over the whole car with the paint thickness gauge. We look at the paintwork, what the thickness is, any dings, scratches, we mark all of that down, we record that too. We inspect the interior damage, everything, we inspect everything. Each of these inspections should generally prove and convey to the buyer that the car is in good order. Because after all, 100,000 for a 30-year-old Ferrari or older, that's also something. It's an acquired taste. But if it's in the appropriate condition, it can cost even more. That is, market prices fluctuate. I looked from 87, 85 to 120. I have the window open, the sunroof. My air conditioning doesn't work. Haha. We've got such cool, awesome weather. We're flying along, sweating away, calmly. Hello, high five to everyone. Good day. That's how at least every third, fourth, or fifth video should start, but I can barely climb out of this car. That's it. The smell. The first thing you notice when you open this car is the smell of old leather that's many years old and smells very hot, like an old suitcase. But overall, the car is very cool. You can feel it, you can really feel it. Like a very, very expensive toy. You just sit down. I damn it, don't even fit. The car is definitely not for my size, but overall, if you have the desire, if you have a love for this kind of thing, you can get it, but not for me. For me, it looks like this. It is exactly 1 meter and 90 centimeters of this material.
This not. This maybe. A fine Scotch whiskey. It's Bonty. Same.
Yes, that is absolutely correct. When we are talking about the Elch, we are referring to one of the most majestic and impressive creatures you can find wandering through the dense northern forests, known for their massive size and distinct antlers. battery is a little bit low.
Yes.
I saved it.
Good.
The car is lifting. That's also a problem. With this height, it takes a minute, no, not a minute, two, just to get onto the lift pad, but it's worth it, I think. The tire is old, by the way, from 2019, the 50th week of 1919. Old cars. Years, take it easy. We are still waiting here, just waiting and waiting for our turn. It looks like we are finally up to number 19 now, so it shouldn't be much longer. Lifted it up. We didn't find the number, but we found an oil leak that is seeping from under the left cylinder head cover. There are droplets there, dampness, grease, oil. The car is standing still. We don't know why. Everything is new, the car is restored, refurbished. The guys checked the wheels before it was lifted. It drives onto the stand. They are checking that everything is okay. So every time the car goes onto the lift, it goes through the undercarriage. They check everything, the discs, the calipers. We didn't find the number. We're lowering the car. A few general photos and we're heading home. It hasn't been sitting for 4 months. The smell, the sound, yeah. If you bring all the little nuances to perfection, like the leather and all that, well, in principle, that's not the point. That's not the point. The restoration isn't for that. It's for restoring it to some original state, something like that, so that everything is original. They are looking. The guys are looking for what goes where, what's what. Well, the sound, yes. top-notch. We spent a little over 2 hours looking at this car in every detail. All the dings, scratches, what was painted, what was replaced. We also inspected the engine from above, below, the side, from all angles, and finally opened it up to see what it looks like. Just take a look.